সখী ভাবনা কাহারে বলে সখী যাতনা কাহারে বলে. This is my space. You know, I actually chill here, and this is a reminder that I have babies in the house. I have worked very passionately on was Ramayana, and I did not win any award for that. So that's okay. That's not here. Sat across me over a cup of coffee and in the breakfast table, and he said, shall I send my parents to your house with my marriage proposal? And I was like, that's such a rude joke. And it was before Ramayana, not on the set of Ramayana. Mind it. Hi Mashable India, welcome to my home. This is the space where I sit, have my coffee, sing to my daughter. I have been always very rooted and played with mud, kechua pakdi hu, or I have been a part of my grandfather's kitchen garden. These days I feel that this is the only way how you can teach your children to be rooted. We have to learn to plant, we have to learn to nurture them, talk to them, because when we love them, when we talk to them, just like animals, they grow and they flourish. This is my space. You know, I actually chill here. I mean, my balcony is pretty spacious enough to accommodate all my friends. In fact, sometimes in the party, घर पे ऐसा लगता है खाली हो गया. This is the bar cabinet. This gets filled up just before the party, and this is a reminder that I have babies in the house. Books are an integral part of my life. I think I have given this reading thing to Guru. But right now, with what the situation is, I read books. Wheels on the bus goes round and round. Little Miss Muffet sat on a truffet eating her curd and whey. There came a big spider and sat down beside her. Little Miss Muffet ran away. This is the book I read now. I would pick up a book of songs of Rabindranath Tagore. I have never learned Rabindra Sangeet, but I think a Bengali just knows it. Shokhi bhabona kahare bole, shokhi jatona kahare bole, tumra je bolo dibos rajoni, bhalobasha bhalobasha, shokhi bhalobasha kare koy, সেই কি কেবলি যাতনাময়, সেই কি কেবলি চোখের জল, কেবলি দুঃখের আশ, লোকে তবে করে কি সুখেরই তরে এমন দুঃখের আশ. This Jhalakka trophy that Guru won, this is absolutely close to my heart. Oh, it's very heavy, babri bab. Whatever we work, it's our common goal. And it's not just one person working. I mean, my work is here. There is 100% input of his also. In terms of selecting the work, in terms of, freely able to execute it without thinking at the back of my mind, I've not given enough time. The thing that I felt that I have worked very passionately on was Ramayana. And I did not win any award for that. So that's okay. That's not here. Oh, this is Liana's. Yeah. When she was born, everybody was giving us something. So there's a very close friend of ours. He bought a star in the name of Liana. It has a paper also, which says, all the grid where the star is located. So this is the most precious award. This is the place, it is occupied by Gurmeet from 4 o'clock in the morning till about 6 o'clock. He sits here, he does his meditation, he reads. And after that, it is my time. It's my lone time, which I hardly get. But yeah, this is the place. Just above my head is me and Guru in front of the ultimate symbolic for love, which is the Eiffel Tower. A very complicated story. We met many years back when I had come to Mumbai for an acting competition. Guru was also a part of it. We just met, but we did not interact. We hardly interacted. And the only interaction was he sat across me over a cup of coffee and in the breakfast table, and he said, shall I send my parents to your house with my marriage proposal? And I was like, That's such a rude joke. We met. And when we did not have any reason to meet, that's when we realized, I think, we have met enough and discussed enough and we have kind of fallen in love. And it was before Ramayana, not on the set of Ramayana. Mind it. This space, I used to call it a TV room once upon a time. The TV is just a showpiece here. Modern parenting says do not watch TV, no screen time. So, आजकल तो मुझे लगता है कि बच्चों से ज़्यादा addicted है हमारे जो elder generation है, सबका देखना बंद हो गया because of my babies. I always had a dog. I mean, right from my childhood. Because we were extensive travelers, my dad gave the dog to somebody and then we never got her back. Her name was Elfa. And I swore to myself, like some Hindi film, that whenever I have my own house, I will get a dog. Because that's what my mom told me. Like our first house in Mumbai, I started looking for a dog who looked exactly like Elfa. And I got Dexter. And I sent my brother to get him. My brother said, are you sure we'll call him Elfa? No, call him Dexter. Because I do not want to spoil his identity by always seeing Elfa in him. He has to have his own identity and he'll be Dexter. I don't know why I thought of this name. And he came home. He lived with me for 10 years. And he was such a lovable dog like him. This is the storyboard of my life at the moment. This is the home that we have created with a lot of love and gratitude, and just this makes us. I have kept one photo of us during the COVID times also because it shows the grit that we had and how we crossed it. Like that was a phase in our life. How can I not forget? That has given us a lot of the vision. Logo ki change hue, hamare vision change hue. When I'm pregnant with Divisha, Liana's first photo shoot. Liana and my mom's bond is super precious. So it has to have a space here. That's us when we are traveling. That has to be there because we are travelers and you can't tame us. Cute, small, all, requirement inclusive room. The first thing that you see when you enter the room is this, and this is the best photograph that I have managed to capture of my babies, because it's always so difficult to get both of them smiling because it's not in my control. My aesthetics is very light, muted color. So the whole room is absolutely muted, white and pink, and it's very basic. Pastels is the color. I'm slowly realizing kids' aesthetics are not pastels. They love bright colors, like bright pink. So I'm trying to get used to it. Tell me you're a girl mom without telling you're a girl mom. You have thousands of hair clips at home and hair bands. More hair bands, more hair clips, and absolutely organized pieces of clothes. I shot a reel in this the other day, and I also have the same outfit for myself. So they're always twinning, and there's so many times I twin with them. Toys and toys and toys. I don't know what they do with so many toys. इससे उन लोग के sensory plays बहुत वो होता है. This is that bell. This is regulator. This is switch, Velcro. Again, absolutely minimal, very simplistic. I feel beautiful. I feel alive in white. I don't like any other color. Even the bed is of a very muted color, something which is closest. You can't have a white linen. I mean, obviously, the color that I have is also very difficult to maintain. But I have a shade which is absolutely very close to white. I think when we started traveling, the love for bags started. Bags, belts and shoes. Actually, this is my only love. I do not have a, extreme love for clothes. Everything Gurmeet has only said, take this, take that. He was pretty adamant and he gifted me this. So all of a suddenly, yeah, and so this is very priceless for me too. This is 3.5. This one I don't think is very expensive, within 50,000. This is 2.5 lakh, 80,000. These are almost of the same range. Strangely enough, I have never bought any of them from India. I've just bought all of them whenever I have traveled to different places. So thank you, Mashable India, for coming to my home and exploring it. And now I've got to go. So see you next time. Until then, ta-ta, bye.